Hello, I'm Vaishnavi Barkale from 4th year architecture. In this video, I would be talking about my 7th semester design mass housing, which is designed at Nashik. Climate of Nashik is classified as tropical, having average precipitation 812 mm and average temperature of 24.7 degrees Celsius. The site is located at Gangapur Road, Nashik. Site area is 19,270 square meter. The brief was to create sustainable, eco-friendly housing solutions. Also, the requirements having different flat units, bungalows, and row houses with the amenities was given. To see the existing examples of housing, I did three case studies. The one is King Housing Apartment in Bangalore, which is designed according to the climate of the region, also which focuses on the green factor of the design and sustainability. The second is Parkside Retirement Homes, which is designed for senior citizens, taking care of every aspect for them. They have created many activity spaces at different floors instead of giving them combined. Third is A City, which is in Greater Noida. In this, building blocks are placed in such a way that it will be overlooking to the huge landscape court which is provided between the building blocks. Coming to the concept, I choose co-housing system, which means living together. Nowadays, social gatherings are totally being missed. To fill this gap, architecture can help so that people will tend to get together. So, I decided to create small activity pockets all over the site so that people will spend time there and social gatherings will happen. For different age groups, some activities always attracts, such as playing areas, parks and gardens, clubhouse and some interesting sitting areas. Coming to the design development, site is divided into two parts. One with high-rise structures and where more number of accommodation or persons are there, and second is low-rise structures where less number of accommodation or persons are there. Because of this division, vehicular traffic is getting less as more number of vehicles are being parked at till the half of the part of the site. This is the site plan. At the entrance there is 12 meters wide road which then gets divided into sub roads which are 7.5 meters wide. There are three building blocks placed towards windward side so that each unit will have a cross ventilation. Block A and Block B consisting 3 BHK and 2 BHK apartments, where Block C consists of 1 BHK and 1 RK apartment. These three blocks are overlooking to the central court which has amenity areas. Adjacent to that there is a ramp down to the basement. On the east side there are series of row houses which has activity pockets in between. There are total 20 units of row houses. There are twin bungalows placed after row house series. Between two bungalows there is activity pockets. At the last corner of the site there are five bungalows sharing common court which invites people to get together. This is the ground floor plan and section which shows hierarchy of the buildings. These are the floor plates of building blocks. 3 BHK and 2 BHK apartments are placed in such a way that each room will be cross ventilated. On the ground floor plan, there is a floating parking and lobby for the entrance and security purpose. These are the row house plans. On the ground floor, deck is created for the informal sitting which connects internal and outdoor spaces. On the first floor, two bedrooms are there with attached toilet. For bedroom, there is a semi-open terrace. In the elevation, brown panels are used to hide the toilet pipes which also for the aesthetic purpose. Here, the floor to floor height is 3 meters. These are the bungalow plan. On the ground floor, court is provided for the light and ventilation. There is deck provided to the living area. Kitchen has utility area outside. There are two bedrooms on the ground floor, which has open to sky deck for the sitting, which connects the interior and outdoor spaces. There is one door to the compound wall, which connects to the common court shared by five bungalows. Also, it can be used as a service entry. On the first floor, three bedrooms are there and one multi-purpose room which can be used as a guest room as well. For these rooms, there is a semi-open terrace. In section FF, above the court, angle is been created towards the north, which will take indirect light and cut off the harsh sun rays. In the views, windows are tilted, which cut off the harsh sun rays. These are the twin bungalow plans. On the ground floor, there is one bedroom, and on the second floor, there are three bedrooms. Utility is given outside the kitchen. In section, the floor to floor height is 3 meters. This is the amenity floor plan. On the ground floor, there are multipurpose hall, gym, library, indoor games, and shops are given, which all are facing towards the swimming pool. On the first floor, landscape is created, which is overlooking to the swimming pool.